Hello there, people. Andy here. I know I sound weird. That's because I'm sick and I got my voice back. Yay. Anyway, I really hadn't really been well, but at least it's better than yesterday because I feel a bit more better. But yeah, still pretty much horrible, but at least better than yesterday. I really been supposed to because Bachelor did creatively to show you guys that what I have been in my mind, but I do have some ideas and I'll try to make them while I'm sick and take care of myself, and maybe I'll finish in one time fine. Who knows? Share you keep reading about how I be feeling. I can't breathe, it hurts. The thing is, you think it's kind of stupid to be paranoid and stuff because you're sick, but the thing is, I haven't been sick in a while, but most importantly, I haven't threw up in years, so that's why it paranoid me, and because of these new viruses. I was like, no, I don't wanna die, but I hope I get some better because I really miss talking. Singing mostly because I want to make a video on me singing something and then you try to rate which part I sang it better. I'm not going to give any hints, but a hint is Carrots and Stick by Ukraine and Belarus.